Call me whenever you feel alone, babe.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you see my face for the very first time, I am Susanita Afe. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I made this beautiful headband wig. I have seen a lot of videos on YouTube where people try headband wigs, so I decided to do one for myself. If you want to see how I made this beautiful headband wig, keep on watching. So guys, for this video, I am going to be using one pack of X-pression Kanekalon hair. I'm using the X-pression Ultra braid color 2. I'm only using one pack because I did another headband wig, and for that one I used 2 packs, and you guys, it was too heavy. So I learned my lesson and I'm going to use just one pack for this one. Guys, in this video, I'm not going to show you guys in details how I prep my hair. I actually did that in another video, and I'm going to leave the link down in the description. So if you want to see how I prep the hair, just check out that video and you're going to get a full detailed tutorial. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the lists of items we need for this headband wig. Now that we know everything we need for this tutorial, let's go ahead and prep our headband. So guys, I'm going to sew the headband to the wig cap. Right here, I'm just measuring where I'm going to sew, because I'm not going to sew the headband all over. I'm just going to sew it at the front. So the back of the headband, I actually made sure it stays at the back because that's where we are going to add the Velcro. Now guys, I'm just sewing the headband to the wig cap. Honestly, you guys, you just have to pay attention. Just watch. You know your girl is not a 100% teacher when it comes to tutorials, so just watch what I'm doing. I'm done sewing the headbands to the wig cap, so I'm going to take it out and turn it inside out. The reason I'm doing this is because I do not want to sew the wig combs on the headband. So I turned it the other way around, so I will be able to sew the wig combs just on the wig cap and not on the headband. I hope you guys get what I'm trying to say. Guys, I made a mistake when I first tried this, so you really want to be careful when it gets to this part, so you don't sew the wig comb on the headband. In total, I sewed in 4 wig combs, 2 at the side, 1 at the front, 1 at the back. So I'm going to turn it inside out again because we are done with the preparation of the headband. So now I'm going to cut the part where the headband is joined together at the back. Like I said initially, that's where we are going to be adding our Velcro to secure the headband properly. You guys, attaching the Velcro to the headband was a little bit challenging. I kind of pierced myself a couple of times whilst I was trying to sew the Velcro to the headband, so I just decided to go off camera and I took my time to sew it neatly and nicely, and I came back. So you guys can see how I am struggling a little bit right here. It's not easy sometimes, but you just gotta do what you gotta do. You see, your girl is struggling. At this point, I just went off camera. And now, you see, all done, and I'm just going to open it, and voila. We are ready to crochet the hair. Now it's time to crochet. Crochet, 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 crochet. Okay, anyhow. I decided to unravel the hair because I didn't want my wig to have too many curls. I wanted to look more like an afro kind of than kinky curls. So that's why I unraveled it a couple of times before I decided to like crochet. This method is easy for me. I've seen other YouTubers crochet the hair before they curl the hair, but I decided to curl my hair and then later crochet. You can also do it the other way around. I hope that makes sense. So you guys, as you can see, I am not leaving too much space. Just around the headband, I didn't leave too much space, but in the middle of the wig, I am going to leave a lot of space. But because we are going to be holding this hair in a bun, that's why I am taking my time. I'm not spacing. What am I saying? I am not leaving any space around the headband. But in the middle of the hair, as you guys will see very soon, you will see in the middle I left a lot of space. Like I spaced the hair out. You can see right here I spaced everything out. You guys can see the middle is not so important. What is important is the side. I'm going to apply moisture and shine. After applying moisturizer, I'm going to trim, and after trimming, we are ready for testing. Let's see how it looks. Now I'm just applying the Eco Styling Gel and to lay my hair, and now I am applying the edge control. You guys just ignore what I'm doing right there. You know I really am not good when it comes to laying my edges. So now it's time for us to see the outcome. You guys, I was a bit nervous. Although I was excited, but I was a bit nervous. All right, let's go. It's time, people. It is time. Right here, I'm taking my time to separate the Velcro from the hair, because if you are not careful, the Velcro is going to tangle everything. So you just want to be careful. Each time you wear this wig, you really have to be careful with the Velcro because it's going to spoil everything for you. So guys, voila! It's so beautiful. I am so excited. I'm really happy this turned out pretty good. Now I'm just going to style it. I did, I think, 5 different hairstyles. So you guys, let me know which one is your favorite. For me, I really like the second one, and I like the 4th one. But you guys, I'm waiting to hear from you guys. Which one is your favorite? Let me know down in the comment section. I really love this. I love this. This is my favorite. You guys, you can style this hair anyhow you want. Like just play around, play with it, and just style it anyhow it suits you.
I've got a premonition, I'm dreaming you and I. All my darkest fears are coming outside.
Oh wow, I love this. It's so cute. I really like this. What do you guys think? Isn't this beautiful? Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. If you made it this far, you are a darling. I really appreciate you. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button if you like my content, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. That being said, I love you guys. Make sure you love yourself, because if you don't love you, who will? See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.